How to swap Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. So if you want to swap your Toncoin to USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet, then first you need to launch your Tonkeeper Wallet on your mobile. And once you have that application, you just need to log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, it will take you to the home page. So once you're on the home page, you will have a bunch of options. You will have the options like send, receive, scan, swap, buy or sell, or stake. So if you want to swap, you just need to simply go for swap. Once you tap on swap, here you will have two kind of options. So first is send and then receive. So if you want to send that, then first under the send, you need to choose Ton. If you have not choose the Ton option, then you can simply go for search and then you can search for Ton and set that to Ton. Once you've set that token to Ton, now you just need to simply go for the receive and then you need to tap on select and you need to choose USDT. If you don't find that option, you can also search that, and once you've searched, you will find the USDT and you just need to simply tap on that USDT and you need to enter an amount. Enter the amount that you would like to convert into USDT and it will make or it will show you the equivalent amount of USD that you are going to get. If you tap on this drop down button, then you are going to see various information relating to your transition, like the impact price, the minimum received, liquidity provider fee, and then blockchain fee, root, and everything, right? So you will have all of these information. So once you've done that, now you just need to simply tap on the swap button and you will be able to swap your Toncoin into USDT on Tonkeeper Wallet. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.